Where is she?
It's crowning.
Where is she? Watch out, watch out,
Right
watch out, watch out. All right, ma'am. If you can just push. Just push. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Just push. You're okay. You're okay. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. You're okay. Just breathe. Just breathe. Push. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Fire rescue's here. Yep, you're fine. Come on. Keep pushing. Man, you're doing all right. You're doing great. You're doing great. Come on. You're okay. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. They're coming. Come on. Keep pushing. You're fine. Keep going. Ma'am, can you hear me? Keep talking to me. Keep talking. You're okay. Head's coming out. Keep pushing.
Respond to it.
You're fine. Come on, ma'am. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. You can do it. Ma'am, you can do it. I need you to keep going. I need you to keep going. Baby's. Yep, you're almost there. Almost there. Keep going. You're almost there. You're up.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Good job, mama. Good job, mama.
Look at your beautiful baby boy.
Look at that boy. Look at that, girl. Look at that. Be careful, be careful. Be careful on his head. Oh.
I'm gonna let you do your thing. Ream's like, yeah,
Right there. Was that you? Who grabbed? That was you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man. I appreciate
Absolutely.
it. I really, really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
I was about to lose my mind. All the stuff I've been through in my life, I've never been through that.
Neither have I. That was the first time for me too.
What's your name?
Deputy Ream.
Deputy Ream?
Yes, sir.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, congratulations.
Deputy to this 1020.